I'm Lucas, John Junkin, realtor at The Collective, and I'm here at my listing, 1240 South Corning, Unit 101. I just hosted my very first virtual open house. A little awkward. And so I'm just going to give you a quick tour of this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, $765,000 in the Pico Robertson area. You know, it's very cute, washer and dryer, low HOA, central heat and air, jacuzzi tub in the master. I will tell you, you know, it's the bathrooms are a little dated, but they're clean and they're nice, and they're just waiting for someone to come in and put their personal touch. So I'm going to take you right now through the entryway. Imagine this is like a little table and photos of your family, or like a coat rack, you know. The owners have just moved out, so it is a little empty. I am going to just pop over really quickly. Voila, washer and dryer. You know, that's a big deal when you're living in the Pico Robertson area. Not all of these units have space for that. We've got a lovely living room. This is a great floor plan. I really do like, some people like the open kitchen, and I can also appreciate a closed kitchen. I like separation. So here's an island which is movable, and I've got a little bit of my stuff on here, but that can come with the place. We've got some beautiful plantation shutters. There's this great wraparound balcony that really extends the whole length of the unit and even over to the master bedroom. It's just a quiet, beautiful day, a great place to walk your dog, ride a bicycle. It's a great school district, great school actually. It's a beautiful school. Lovely fireplace to cozy up to, gas fireplace, which is nice. You know, just makes things a lot easier. Beautiful floors. I mean, what's not to like? This is a pantry, so I'm not gonna show you the pantry, but that is a pantry. So like I said, the bathroom could use a little TLC, but it's very clean, very nice. But you know, I might go to Home Depot and buy a new vanity. Martha Stewart has a nice line. We got some mirror closet. This is the guest bedroom. And then I'll just take you really quickly for a sweep down the hall. And here's another closet, which I didn't show during my virtual open house, so lucky you. Now we're in the master. Again, plantation shutters, connection to the balcony, great beautiful view of the school. Yeah, and master bathroom, like I said, could use some update, but it is a blank canvas. I really do like the separation of the shower and the jacuzzi tub. So yeah, 765, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, Pico Robertson. Oh hey, that's me. Yeah, if you need a realtor, if you are interested in seeing this place, I'm happy to get you in and show it to you. Thank you for watching.